Kwi-story sanamhlanje, you get to decide ukuthi do you like her or do you hate her. Kodwa engikwaziyo mina ukuthi the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntomnyama. Once upon a time we had a strong independent woman. Sizombiza ngoBathobile. uBathobile ubesebenza eMall of Africa. uBathobile ubehlala nogogo wakhe, and so one day uBathobile got ready to go to work, said goodbye to ugogo wakhe and went to work. uBathobile finally arrived eMall of Africa where she worked. Wahamba waya eback la kuhlala khona istaff, and then wafika kumaloka wakhumula iuniform yakhe. Wagqoka iuniform of one of her colleagues osebenza eSBV service la khona bedeliver khona imali. She put on leyo uniform wahamba. On that day, bekuzofika a cash and transit vehicle yaka SBV, and since uBathobile was wearing i-uniform yakhona, akekho owamnotice at the time eyongena emotweni, wakhipha into yakhe yokusika, wadonsa wonke ama-plastic bags, wawasika, wawavula. After that, washona ephaketheni lakhe, wavusa oplastic abamnyama betrash, wathatha imali, wayifaka phakathi. Once uBathobile was done collecting yonke imali, wathatha uplastic bakhe betrash abamnyama, waphuma emotweni, and then she headed back kwi-storeroom la kuhlala khona abantu abasebenza eMall of Africa. She arrived there, wabeka uplastic abamnyama phansi, and no one noticed because bebeyitshena ukuthi uyahlanya uphethe uplastic abamnyama. She took off le uniform yaka SBV service, and then she puts on i-uniform yakhe le ayisebenzisayo mesemsebenzini. After that, wadonsa itrolley, wathatha labo plastic labo babamnyama, wabafaka etrolleyini. uBathobile then continued with her day. Wathatha itrolley le egcwele uplastic abamnyama, wayiphusha slowly throughout iMall of Africa. No one paid any attention because again uThobile, it was like uyahlanya ekhanda uphusha uplastic abamnyama emall, and so no one noticed. Wayiphumela nje eMall of Africa waya kuma parkings, wayongenela nje kwi-vehicle le ayezohamba ngayo. Gone uBathobile. uBathobile stole 4 million rands, and at some point in between wayehlukanisa leyo mali with uLisa and gave her 2 million. And then uBathobile went straight home.